Ministers here in the UK are introducing tougher rules to make appliances like fridges, washing machines and TVs cheaper to run and last longer. From this summer, manufacturers will be legally obliged to make spare parts available to consumers with the aim of extending the lifespan of their products. The move is designed to reduce electrical waste and cut carbon emissions from making new goods. Our energy and environment analyst Roger Harrabin has been giving more details.
This is part of EU legislation that the UK was previously signed up to and agreed that it would continue when the UK left the EU. The EU has set in place these rules from January. The UK is lagging a bit, but the ministers are now promising that they will be in place by the summer. And as you suggested, I mean, the idea is there are many reasons to the idea of the policies they're pursuing. One is to increase the lifespan of goods by maybe 10 years, they hope, to reduce the amount added to the e-waste mountain, 1.5 million tonnes of e-waste every year in the UK. Also to reduce bills, household bills. Ministers think that bills should go down about £75 over the lifespan of an appliance. And of course also to reduce CO2 emissions. So there are lots of objectives in this legislation. But I think the one that people will be most interested in is we've all had this syndrome where you buy a gadget, whatever it might be, a toaster or a kettle or something, and it breaks down in what you consider to be a ridiculously short amount of time. And you phone up the manufacturer and you say, I need this spare part. And they say, oh, I'm sorry, sir, it's in a sealed unit. You'll have to send it back to the factory and that will cost you £1 zillion. And you think, OK, well, I'll buy another one. Well, now there is the right to repair. Campaigners have been fighting for this. It's in the US now, in Europe and in the UK. The right to repair, that if something basic goes wrong with something you buy, you can get onto the manufacturer and say, I need that part. And the manufacturer, instead of offering an excuse, has to say, OK, here's the part.
For free?
Not for free. No, you have
okay.
to pay for it. At the moment, you just simply often can't get the part.
Yes.
Or they say, OK, we'll put you onto an approved dealer and this approved dealer will do it for you at exorbitant cost. But now you'll be able to do it yourself, supposing it's doable yourself, of course.
Yeah. What was that figure you gave, Roger? It's extraordinary. 1.5 million tonnes of electrical products we chuck away every year.
The UK is the given figure. It's an awful lot. And, clearly there has to be more done to try to reduce that. But I mean, at the moment, the system is really haphazard. I've got an old set-top box that I need to get rid of. But in order to get rid of it, I need to go onto my waste centre now because of COVID and book an appointment. I have also some other e-waste to get rid of, but I don't have a car. And the only way I can get it to the centre is by car. So do I hire a taxi to take my e-waste to the recycling centre? It does seem a bit crazy from the environmental point of view. And there are no street deliveries in most places for e-waste or indeed for batteries. So the whole system is a bit of a mess at the sort of back end of it. The government's trying to put things right more at the front end of it.